What's up guys, and welcome to a back-to-back Galaxy S11 news scoop. So far, everything we know about the phone, I love it. But there is something that I was not sure about, especially after looking at the Apple side, because Samsung is more into competing with Apple rather than Huawei. I'm talking about the optical zoom. Samsung has kept the zoom to 2 times since the Galaxy S9. We've seen the S9, Note 9, S10 family, and the Note 10 family all with 2x zoom. But that doesn't cut it anymore, especially going into 2020. And Samsung knows this, and they want to bring a huge change. With a new 108 megapixel bigger sensor, Samsung will bring a 5x optical zoom sensor as well for the very first time. The codename Hubble has come to the scene. It's the internal code name for the Galaxy S11. And Hubble, if you guys don't know, is a space telescope used for capturing photos of planets and stars and galaxies. They use it in astrophysics. All of this points to some really juicy features for the S11. Obviously, a codename Hubble doesn't mean that Galaxy S11 will have a literal telescope built into it. Instead, this points towards an optical zoom level as well as the night performance of the Galaxy S11, because they specifically chose this code name of this telescope that is used for planets, and obviously zoom and night performance is involved in this. This does make sense for the S11 to have these features. So 5x optical zoom, 10x hybrid, and 50x digital zoom. This is a common setup we have seen. Interestingly, Xiaomi and Samsung are working very close on the camera stuff. The new Mi Note 10 Pro has 5x optical zoom. Obviously, Samsung will have a better flagship sensor and their software implementation, but Xiaomi already having the 5x zoom along with 108 megapixel camera points the light towards the similar setup for the S11. So along with the 5x optical zoom, we could assume that Samsung will most likely be having some Pixel 4 level astrophotography mode to capture stars. Along with this, also we're going to see some insane improvements to a night mode. The One UI 2.0 already unlocks 30 seconds night mode on the S10 and Note 10 family. It's hidden in the Pro mode. With S11's new sensor, Samsung could really wow us this time around. So in my honest opinion, that new 30-second unlock of the night mode along with this code name, it all points towards the astrophotography feature as well as 5x zoom. That is something that I can say confirm for sure, that Samsung will bring 5x optical zoom on the table. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think the 108 megapixel camera along with an ultra wide angle lens, a 5x optical zoom, and a proper depth camera sensor, I mean, do you think is this the absolute mega camera combination for a smartphone next year? Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.